Hey guys, I am in Atlanta and today I'm gonna show you it doesn't snow here but it freezes. Look at the trees. Now you cannot probably see that clear, but I have saw this bush. The water droplets has frozen. It's so cool, like the droplet. Ugh. I just got this piece from the bush sleeve. It has just like traced it, like exactly the same.